The body temperature of students is taken each time a student goes to the nurse's office. The 5-number summary for the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit of a student on a particular day is: the min is 96.7, quartile 1 is 97.85, the median is 98.25, quartile 3 is 98.6, and the max is 101.8. Would you expect the mean temperature of all students who visit the nurse's office to be higher or lower than the median? The mean would be higher. The mean would be higher because it is skewed. If it were normal, it would have been a different story. It would have been the median. Sorry. It is skewed. So the mean is higher than the median. Okay, B. After the data were picked up in the afternoon, 3 more students visited the nurse's office with temperatures of 96.7, 98.4, 99.2. Were any of these students outliers? Explain. Okay, so for outliers, we have to find the IQR first, and that's just quartile 3 minus quartile 1, which is 0.75. And then you have to do, the formula is, well, depending which one, quartile 1 minus 1.5 times IQR. And for quartile 3, it's just addition, subtraction. So 1.5 times IQR is 1.125. So quartile 1 is 97.85 minus 1.125, and get 96.725. Quartile 3 is 98.6. Because it's quartile 3, you add plus the 1.5 times IQR, which is 1.125, and you get 99.725. Okay, now that we figured out where the outliers would be, we look at these. So it's an outlier, and 99.725 is not an outlier. None of these are outliers because they don't exceed 90. The box plots show the age of people involved in accidents according to their role in the accident. Which role involved the youngest person and what is the age? So you just look at the fences, and wherever the lowest is your youngest person. And for A, it's going to be passenger because it's passenger, and it's maybe about 0. For B, which role had the lowest median age and what is the age? So we look for the lowest median, so which is this, the line right in the middle. And the lowest median would also be the passenger at maybe like 20. And C, which role had the smallest range and what is its age? So for here, you have to include the outliers, so don't forget to include the outliers. And you're just going to calculate the range for each one. And you find out cyclist has the lower range because it's 50 minus 10, which is 40. For D, which role had the largest IQR ages and what is it? It would be the pedestrians because it's quartile 1 plus quartile 3 and it's 44 years. Which role genre involves the oldest people? Explain. So even though the answer is pedestrians. So even though this extends out and everything, it has the highest median, so we choose passenger.